Hey, do you remember a couple of weeks ago I reorganised my entire garage? Well, that was before I got a new project car and my wife got an electric car. So these stairs here used to come down this way, but also I had to narrow this and angle it because my wife's car would not fit in this area unless this was further that way. This was all based on me potentially getting a normal size project. However, this project is much smaller. Even with bodywork on, it's not going to be much longer than that, which means that would fit in here if those stairs weren't there. So yeah, I'm going to have to put those stairs back to there. And then my wife's car can sit over on this side, and then I need to run the electrical charging system along here, along there, and probably mount it on that wall. That will mean that she can charge her car when it's in the garage or when it's sitting there. This should not take long. Told you it wouldn't take long. So now we just roll this over to there, see how much room we've got left here for the Mini, and then work out where the wiring is going to go. Perfect. I will of course need to remove all this sharp metal. If my wife's car's here and that falls in her car, then I need to find a new place to live, basically. Welder can go back in there. Grinder can probably go somewhere else. Haven't decided yet. The only problem is this compressor that I never use. It's kind of too small to use for painting. It would run out of puff very quickly. Just for comparison's sake, here's my hand, it's pretty small. It's no use for air tools. It's good for blowing up tires, that's about it. So I don't know where to put that because ideally I want as much space, basically up to this line here. I want usable for cars. Right, electrical stuff. I've got my two big voltage plugs there. I do have a cable somewhere that I can plug that in and wire it up to the charger. We don't have the charger yet, so that's not crucial. But as I say, I think I want to mount it about there. While we're in the garage, I need some suggestions. As you can see, I currently have 4 sets of fluorescent tube strip lighting. So that's 8 tubes. And it's still not bright enough, so I need to go LED. If anyone's got suggestions on where to get good, bright LEDs, affordably priced, let me know in the comment section. And also whether I should suspend them from the ceiling or try and mount them on the wall somewhere, just low-level lighting would be nice. Now that I've actually got a spare wall. Talking of walls, I now have a big space here once that board's away, and I'm going to install a big whiteboard for my projects. That one, this one, that one occasionally, Mini not so much. So I'm going to get a big I've got a whiteboard on my wish list, hint hint, but no one's got it for me yet because I'm too cheap to buy it myself. Other than that, I could just use spray paint and spray on the wall. But that's where that's where my to-do list will be going. I can always move these hangers over a bit. Very strange having a wall again, but there we go. Right. I think that's me for home edition this week. But I do have a fairly big job coming up soon on Home Edition. If you look behind me, I need to do the driveway again. It's okay, that was fun. And I'll probably do a Dawn versus something else this year. The Dawn video did quite well. Everyone seemed quite interested in how well it could clean oil, but I got a lot of suggestions from that video, so I'm going to try something different. Might do a half and half thing, split it down the middle. Whichever side wins, I need to do the same on the other side, so that'll be a waste of time. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you the next time I'm in my garage or in the backyard. Bye bye.